Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh my God. What's good, YouTube, man? We back with another video, you know what I'm saying? It's a fun video today, I ain't gonna lie. But as y'all seen by the title and the thumbnail, we are installing an intake on my SRT Jeep. We hitting 510 horsepower today, man. I ain't gonna lie. Oh my gosh. 510 horsepower. Ooh-wee. Let's get straight into this video, man. If y'all ain't subscribed to the channel, subscribe if you're new. And we out. And we in. You know what I'm saying? Let's get straight into it. Alright, y'all boys. This is what we're working with, though. You know what I'm saying? This is the new filter. You know what I'm saying? You got this thing right here. We obviously got the cover, GT Momentum, whatever that means, and all the parts inside. So let's get straight into the video. Alright, y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna need one of these 8mm boys. You're gonna need one of these so you can pry this little vent out of here. And we're gonna start taking this boy apart, you know what I'm saying? Alright, we took them boys out. We just gonna pop this boy on out, you know what I'm saying? Where the fuck? There we go. I had to use two hands, you know what I'm saying? That dirty hell right there, though. What the hell? We're gonna start, you know, taking this off now. Alright, y'all, so we got it all out, you know what I'm saying? You can actually just use a flathead to get these boys out right here instead of an 8mm. It could be probably easier to do that instead. But everything else was easy. Obviously, unplug this, pull the hose out, then pull the whole rest out. It's pretty simple. There's only 3 parts to it, so you know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all boys, before you just throw this to the side, make sure you take your sensor out of right there, you know what I'm saying? So you need this bit, you know what I'm saying? All right, so you're gonna dig in this bag right here, grab this O-ring, and push this bitch inside of, inside this bitch, you know what I'm saying? There we go, fit just like that. You know, you can stick your finger in there like, ooh, can't see me, ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, y'all boys, then you wanna put this little other plastic piece in and put your sensor in, you know what I'm saying? I did mess up, and I had to put cause I broke it right there. But I put a piece of wire, though, so it's still stuck in there, though, you know. How did you break them up? It don't matter, man. Back to the video. Anyways, now grab your filter, and then you're going to plunge it in. You see where these lines at? You're going to plunge it in all the way around till it's in that boy, just like this side. You know what I'm saying? Oh, why the fuck is it raining, bruh? Ah, damn, bruh. Ah, damn. All right, y'all boys, get you an 11mm socket, and then we're gonna put this little sock on, and then put these, don't tighten them up yet, but put these on each side. Whee! Oh shit, don't do what I did and drop the fucking bolt, you know what I'm saying, like a dumbass. All right, so next you want to connect this hose. If it's too hard, you can take this, it's still loose, so you can take this off and just pop this cover up. It pops right up. And then you can plunge that bitch in, you know what I'm saying? But let's get this filter in. All right, y'all, so once you get the filter in, you know what I'm saying, connect it to this boy, you know, put your hose on. Don't forget the little latch thing here. Plug your, back in, your sensor back in. And just tighten this up, tighten this up. And you got your intake, 500 horsepower. All right, y'all boys, moment of truth, you know what I'm saying? We got it all tightened up, you know what I'm saying? Nice and sturdy. Got the vent ready. Got rain in that bitch. So fuck it though. You know what I'm saying? We look stupid. Let's turn this bitch on. All right, y'all boys. All right, y'all boys, let's go drive this boy. Let's go hear what it sound like when I rev the engine. Let's go have some fun. Ooh! All right, y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? Pop the hood, man. Pop the hood for you, man. It's raining out here, though. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Put this right here. All right, y'all boys, put this bitch in track mode, man. It was in sports mode. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, like, that bitch sounds stupid. It's raining, so I'm gonna just do like, I'm not gonna do like off the line pulls, but I'm gonna do like pulls so I can hear the beat, right? I wish y'all was able to hear this bitch like from the back. Pause. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck, boy? Brother, what the, you know what I'm saying? It's raining, but fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, man. This is stupid. Oh. Man, stop it, man. Stop. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Oh, this bitch sounds, bro. Y'all hear that shit? Stop playing. Oh my gosh, bro. This bitch getting a little. This bitch ain't got traction mode on, so this bitch sound a little crazy. Bro, this just the first performance mod, bro. I mean, I got a muffler delete, but that ain't shit, bro. Like, this just the first one, bro. This bitch. Oh my god, bro. Hold on. This bitch, like. But this bitch sounds stupid, yo. It's mad responsive, like. Look at that bitch humping the fucking air, eh? That bitch humping the air, man. I wanna hear what this tunnel sound like, chat. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna do it off the line. It's way too wet. This bitch going stupid. This bitch for sure gonna spin if I if I hit this bitch off the line, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But AG. Alright, y'all. Y'all hear it. Go through this tunnel real quick on it. Oh yeah. I couldn't do it how I wanted to. This bitch sliding, bro. This bitch getting an act. Hold on. Fuck. Y'all hear that bitch? No, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, yeah, it's it. 510 horsepower, chat. This just the beginning. Once I get it tuned, 540. Oh my god, bro. Shit. Popos. The popos. What the fuck, bro? We're going the speed limit, so I don't care. Alright, y'all, what this bitch sound like with the windows up, you know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all boys, that's the end of the video. Oh my gosh, bro. Let me walk over here. You know what I'm saying? That's the end of the video, man. It's raining like a motherfucker, but I ain't gonna lie. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. You know, 510 horsepower. This shit's crazy, man. It's raining, shit ass, but it's gonna be crazy POVs when it dry up, man. I ain't gonna lie. But without further ado, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We on the road to 3,000. We almost there, man. Oh my gosh, look at this bitch. This bitch look dark as fuck. Let me start this bitch up low key. Hold on. Fumbling my keys, fumbling them. All right, man. Let me hear they be. Without further ado, man, that's the end of the video. Let's get it, let's go. Until tomorrow. Why are you chasing me? We out, man. I'm gonna stop playing.